Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix wireless adapter missing in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix wireless adapter is missing in Windows 11 computers, right click on Start menu. Now click on Device Manager. In Device Manager click on View tab and then click on Show Hidden Devices. Now select network adapters and click on Action tab and then click on Scan for hardware changes. Now close Device Manager. In search type Network Troubleshooter. Now click on Find and Fix Network Problems. Now this will troubleshoot and fix network issues. Click on Next. Now click on Troubleshoot my connection to the network. Now close Troubleshooter. Hope this will solve your issue. If your network adapter is still missing, go to Search, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, click on Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt, type netsh winsock reset netsh winsock reset. Now hit enter. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Close Command Prompt, click on Start menu, click on Power, and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, hope your problem is solved. If your network adapter is still missing, again go to Search, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, click on Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt, type netcfg -d. netcfg -d. It will remove your all network adapters. Now hit enter. After completing this command, close Command Prompt and again go to Search, click on Power and then restart your computer. After restarting your computer, hope your network adapter is showing on your Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.